I'm going to make a stuffed toy. So I'm going to make a tutorial while I'm doing it. So a while ago, I just made the pattern. It's a rainy afternoon, so I have to be a little resourceful. I look for something from my collection. This is from the Ukai. It used to be a muffler for winter. And so this is going to be the front. And since it's small, I cut some of the Dalmatian design for the hind feet and the forefeet.